Hello guys, I'll show you some paper stuff that I made for like weapons. If you ever play Black Ops, I have a tomahawk. Um, Works pretty well, except I haven't taped it yet because I ran out of tape. So I don't have a lot of things to show, but some stuff. Uh, Alright, so I have this tomahawk from Black Ops. If any of you have played Assassin's Creed, it has a little thing, like, if you ever heard of a hidden blade, I have one made out of paper, it just doesn't come out, it just stays out, so you'll be like, it just stays out. Um, yeah, this, I have two of these, that's pretty much all I have, but this is the last thing I have right here. It's a gun, as you can see, it has a little scope, and it has a little thing where you put your little darts. Mine are like cylinder, well, yeah, like cylinder darts. They're not like the cone, like whatever cone darts. It has that, this, and I don't know if you can store your bullets in there, but you're gonna need a little cap thingy, whatever. So I have a dart, a little small one, just one. It's pretty messed up, so it probably won't shoot. Well, you can't. It doesn't. You don't really pull the trigger. You actually have to make it shoot. You can either flick it. Hold on, I messed up. You can either flick it. I can mess up. I'm gonna do it the other way. All right. You can flick it like that, or else you could just put it in from the back, and then you have to blow it. So yeah, you can either put it in, and from the top you flick it. You probably didn't see that one. It's probably too fast. I'm gonna mess up. Oh, well, it went over. So yeah, you can do like that. Flick it. Well, this one got pretty messed up right here. So you put your hand in. So if you want a tutorial, I'll be probably making one if you guys want me to. Just comment. And yeah, and oh wait, I have one more thing. It's like a little sword. It's a little sword right here. You could either go like this. It's either like you could actually go through the from the bottom, push it up. Hold on. From the bottom, push it. Well, I have a little piece of tape, so it's kind of hard for it to sling out. So you have to do it pretty hard. Oh, well, that fell out. You can either, like, throw it at somebody, just, you have to do it hard, like, you have to do, like, really hard. Make sure it's out, and then you have to, like, hold on, you have to be like, Well, I'm doing it with my left hand, so it's pretty hard. Alright, I'll do it with my right hand. So you just go. Well, that's pretty much it. Just, this is my like little sword. I just stick it up here. If you want a tutorial on any of these, just comment and yeah, comment, and then I'll see which one I should make. Well, you actually tell me which one to make. And here it is. It's a tomahawk. Just message tomahawk. Knife. Assassin's Creed. Gun. Dart. Or another Assassin's Creed. So if just say whatever you want. Just say the name, like put gun, and then I'll be like, alright, I'll make a gun. I'll just put tomahawk, knife, or put blade. The blade is the Assassin's Creed one. So yeah, just if you want a tutorial, just comment, and later.